Hello you guys, welcome back. This is Sierra. Yes, I'm wearing the same outfit as I wore in my other plant video, and that is because I was just sitting here procrastinating, doing stuff I probably need to do, but I don't really want to do it. So I decided I'm just going to do that tour of my plants video for you guys right now. So let's go out into the patio and let's see what we can get into. Okay, so we are out on the patio now, and actually we don't have any plants inside the house right now because the weather has been so nice all summer that the plants are happier inside. So I guess I'm just going to start off with the plant tour. Right. So my pepper plants, I think we have 3 of them out here. Yeah, so first one I have back here, no, they don't have names, but this plant is the first one that I bought with my friend Jen when we were shopping months ago, I guess, at Joyful Honda, and it said that it was a poblano plant, which I was excited about because I love stuffed poblanos to make vegan chili relleno. Well, turns out it is not a poblano plant. Sorry, there's some kids screaming. I live in our playground. Isn't it great? Anyways, but it turns out they're not actually poblano plants, and when you look at them, they look like this, and I agree that they do kind of look like poblanos, but they're sweet once they're ripe. Usually poblanos turn, at least in my experience, a darker color. Don't know what that's about. And then this plant here, the second pepper plant, actually my neighbor gave it to me, but when he gave it to me, oh, that's a Japanese scent thingy from Daiso, but when he gave it to me, he said that it was a jalapeno, but when I look at these peppers that this jalapeno plant is producing, I feel like it's not a jalapeno. Does this look like a jalapeno to you? This plant over here is actually, I'm pretty sure, a jalapeno plant, and I asked in the nursery and I checked twice, but this definitely looks like a jalapeno to me. So, you know, only 33% of my peppers were actually the plants I thought that they were. Oh hey, this plant actually is making peppers. So yeah, this is what both of this plant and that plant keep doing. They grow and then they turn bright red, and they taste like a red sweet pepper. So I don't know what that's all about. Again, we have some rosemary, which is really nice. I love to use it in like all my autumn things. Then it's not doing very well because I cut off a lot of it, but this was a spearmint plant and the bugs got it, so it makes me a little bit sad. But I mean, it is what it is. And then this is a basil plant. That it looks like I cut off again more of the pieces, so I'm really sad it's kind of not doing as well. Okay, up here we have the Guzmania plant. That's the neighbor's house. Then here I have a whole bunch of spinach. I've been experimenting with sprouting different like types of seeds, and I really seem to like the spinach when it's freshly sprouted. So last time I was planting this, I think I've harvested it 3 times. I was like putting the seeds in, and then I dropped the seed package and it went all down here and into there. So that's all. The little ones are spinach. Whoops. Alright, and then this plant is a huge lavender plant. Really like it a lot. I think it smells really good, but it hasn't flowered yet, and I've had it for 2 years. I don't know. If anyone knows the secret to making it flower, let me know in the comments. Okay. And then here, this plant is a really big peppermint plant. I haven't started cutting into it yet because usually I like to have a lot of peppermint tea in December, but it's here and it smells really good. Oh, looks like this is falling off because it got broken, so we'll just put that down there. Okay. Then I have this parsley plant. I've had this, I think it's about 2 years old. Actually, all the herbs are a couple of years old. I just kind of kept them alive throughout the winter. And I just gave it a massive haircut. And then here I have a pretty miserable looking oregano plant. And that is because, well, it's dying because I didn't take very good care of it. And I think it went to seed and I didn't notice, but now it's growing back. This is the main one. Now it's growing back babies, so that's good. Then this plant here, actually, this plant is a rose geranium, aka citronella variety plant, and as you guys can see, it is taking over the entire patio. And it's even growing like outside of like our patio's area, but there's nothing I can do about it. It just keeps going. I keep cutting it down, but then it grows even more. So yeah. And then over here, I have another basil plant. This one I haven't given a massive haircut, so it's not dying. But yeah, I don't have an excuse. I didn't do very well with that one. Then here, this plant is, well, it was a tomato plant. And then I went away and I didn't pick all the tomatoes of it. And then the tomatoes rotted and fell into the pot. And now I have all these little baby tomatoes in there. And then this plant, another non-edible plant up here. I have two kinds in this pot. I have the pink ones and I have some of the white ones. I don't really know what to do with them, but they look really nice. And then the next plant that I have to show you guys is this plant. It is some kind of palm tree. Some people have said it's a Dracena or Dracena plant, but to be completely honest, I have truly no clue exactly what kind of plant it is. But if you guys know, please let me know in the comments, because I don't. When I got it from my neighbor, she didn't know what it was either. This orchid had a bunch of really beautiful flowers on it, which is why it has the shoot holders, but had that for a few months and then they died. So I'm trying to keep it out of direct sun and see if I can get it to grow new shoots. I don't know if it actually will, but I'm hopeful. And then, I know you guys saw this in my last little video, but this is the mother guzmania plant. She's still got her 3 flowers. Well, actually they're not flowers, but you guys know what I mean. And then the little trio, well, trio plus 2 of guzmania plants. So yeah, that's all the plants. And then of course, you know, I have all of these plants out here. Alright, now that we're turned back around, you guys can see me again. That concludes my mini tour of the plants that I have in the patio. I feel like I really want to be a good gardener, but this is something that I've been working on for a few years, but it's pretty much the end of the season, but I'm going to see how long I can keep these guys going and bring them in the house. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe so you guys get a notification every single time I post something new and exciting, and I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!